Quadratic equation by factorization method. We have the question here. To solve quadratic equation by factorization method, there are three terms you must understand, and these are 1. Product, 2. Sum, and 3. Factors. Let us start with product. Now, you multiply the coefficient of this first unknown that has square by this constant, and that gives you the product. So the product is the multiplication of the coefficient of the unknown, this unknown that has square, by the constant. That gives you the product. Now, if there is no number here, it means the coefficient of this first unknown is 1. But in this case, the coefficient of s squared is 2. So we use it to multiply this constant, which is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Therefore, the product here is 4. Next is sum. What is sum? Sum simply refers to the coefficient of the second unknown, the unknown without the square. In this case, our sum is -5. So sum here is -5. Next is factors. What are factors? Factors refers to two numbers that you will multiply to give you the product, and you add those same two numbers to give you the sum, which is -5. So the factors here, two numbers you can multiply to give you 4, should be 4 and 1. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. But the sum here is -5. So this 4 has to be negative, and the 1 has to be negative. So that -4 plus -1 gives us -5. -4 multiply -1 gives us positive what? 4. Now, having done this, simply carry these two factors and put them in place of this -5x, that is the -5x, so that we have 2x squared. In place of -5x, you put these factors. -4x minus 1x is the same thing as x plus 2 equal to 0. You may want to ask, do we have to write the 4 first before writing the 1? It doesn't matter, whichever one you choose to write first. You may want to write the 1x first before 4, or you write 4 before 1. Whichever one you write, you will get the same answer. So next, we are going to group this term 2 by 2 in two groups. So here we group 2x raised to power 2 minus 4x, cover our bracket, minus open bracket, x. In this place, we are going to use -2. We use minus because we have introduced bracket. If we open up the bracket, minus multiply minus gives us back this plus. So everything equal to 0. So now we are going to factorize. 2 is common to both sides because 2 can divide 2 and 2 can divide 4. Also, x is present at both sides. So we factorize 2x out. The common factor here is 2x. Now 2 will cancel 2, and then x into s squared, we are left with x. Minus 2 divide 4 is 2, and this s simply strike off this s, we close our bracket. Let's move to the next one. What is the common factor here? We can say the common factor is 1. So we're going to put 1 outside a bracket and open up the bracket. 1x divided by 1 is x, and 2 divided by 1 is 2. Everything equal to 0. Here you will notice that the terms inside the two brackets are exactly the same. If at this point the terms you have in the two brackets are not the same, it shows that something is wrong somewhere. So you have to review your working again. Okay, now we're going to collect the terms outside the bracket, 2x minus 1. Since the two brackets are the same, we simply take one of them, x minus 2 equal to 0. So from this point, we have that either 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So let's simplify this. 2x equal to -1 crosses, it becomes 1. Divide both sides by 2. 2 will strike 2, and our x is equal to 1 over 2. At this other end, we have that x equal to -2 crosses over to this way, and we have 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 over 2 or 2, and this becomes the answer and the solution to this quadratic equation. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you.